Hi, I'm Ayesha and welcome back to A Month of My Life as a first year interior design student at Northumbria University. This is episode 4 and I've literally just got back to Newcastle. I came back yesterday. I was home for a week and a bit of Easter. Now I'm back. Uni hasn't actually started yet. I start back not next week, the week after. I did a little bit of work at home and I want to get a bit of work done today too. So today's Saturday and I'm going to go to the gym. I've not been in a while, so I'm excited to get back and I'm going to do some legs. I'm going to make some pasta. Now I'm just doing some work for my Design for Death module, just doing some research on my laptop. I want to look at different places that I've designed spaces for people that are grieving because I want to do something similar, so I want to kind of get ideas from existing spaces and then see what I can do to make it different. So today's Monday. I think I'm going to go to the gym first of all, and then I want to go to Waterstones, pick up a book, and then I want to look at some charity shops because it's my friend's birthday celebration this Saturday and the theme is medieval Y2K, and I currently have no medieval Y2K pieces, so I'm gonna have a look there. I want to do some uni work today too, and that's it. I definitely need to stretch too because my legs are killing from the gym on Saturday. I had a successful shopping trip. I picked up Nova Scotia House by Charlie Porter from Waterstones. So I'm excited to read this. In British Heart Foundation, I decided to go for this second top I showed. I feel like it has medieval vibes. Now I'm doing some work. I want to try and come up with a mood board as I created a concept board. Last time I worked on this, I'll show you what I came up with for the concept board. And then I started out on the mood board, but I only got one picture. I don't even know if I'm going to keep that. I don't think I will keep this picture, to be honest. Today I'm going to head to the gym, do an abs class, and then do some cardio. I've not done cardio in so long, so I'm kind of nervous, but I'll get through it. So I went to the gym and survived, and then I went to TK Maxx and then got my friend a little gift for her birthday. Just this cup and saucer. Just about to eat some of my leftover pasta from the other day, and then I'm going to do some work. So it's 12 minutes past 9, gonna head to the library, do some work. So I'm just eating my dinner, just made some noodles as soon as I got back from the library, got changed, ready for work. Today I'm working 2 until 6, but on Fridays I usually just work 4 until 6. And then every Friday after I finish work, I go to Aldi because it's on the way to the metro station and I do my weekly shop. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So today's a Saturday and my friend is celebrating her birthday today, so this morning we're gonna go to Tynemouth Market and then head to the beach, which I'm really excited for because I've never been to Tynemouth Market or beach before. And then later tonight we're having a dinner and a movie, which I can't wait for. So it should be a good day. I want to read the books. So we went to Tynemouth Market, it was so cute.
It's a shrimps.
Oh. They're really good. Mushroom pies from Tynemouth Market. And the lady is lovely.
Hello? It's quite small.
This is
tiny,
Nadia.
Yeah, it's my tiny hoe from the Tynemouth Market. First thing that I got today was this little tiny troll. I don't know if it's she or he.
I think it's a he.
Okay, he. Second thing is this small ring.
Beautiful.
I know it's not a gold, but okay, gold, silver, and
Bronze.
Bronze.
Yeah. Oh, it's a little crown.
Like tiara. And the last thing and the main thing, woman with salad. to me started from the Bridgerton era.
Wow. On the back. That's all. So I had a really good time before at Time Market and went to the beach, and now I've got my medieval Y2K outfit on, ready to go. I'm just gonna do some makeup. Sorry. This morning I had work from 10 until 1, and now I've just come back, had my dinner, and I'm going to head to the gym, and then straight afterwards I'm just going to head to the library and study with a friend. So today I officially returned to uni, and I've got class from 1 until 4 p.m. today, so I'm just going to head off soon, and then afterwards I'd like to go to the gym. So today's Tuesday. I had class this morning from 10 till 11:30, had a little lecture on ergonomics and fixed furniture, and then did some tasks. Got a break now until 1:30, and then I'm going to go back and have a workshop. And then later on tonight, gymnastics is back on, which I'm super excited for. Just about to head up to the gym. I'm going to do cardio again. So today's Wednesday, which means we've got a social tonight. And the theme this week is Zara Larsson, which basically is sparkly and bright. I've got a top which I don't want to wear, but I want to have a look in some charity shops, see if I can find some shorts or like a skirt. I also need to go to Tesco and pick up some milk and bread, and might need to Poundland too. I found this perfect shimmery pink bright skirt like as soon as I walked in, which I was so happy about. So just went for a nice little walk on the quayside with my friend Joseph and my spoons, got a drink, and now I just got ready. It's my sparkly outfit. Ready for the social. We're gonna go to the Mall Castle for Breeds. Today is a beautiful day. I'm just about to head to class. I've got class from 1 until 4 p.m. today. Just done an ab blast. Now I'm gonna go on a walk and enjoy the sunny weather.